Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje I'm going to start an uncomfortable conversation. The center back pairing conversation kwi-Orlando Pirates. I know isizini sasanaqala bafethu. I know asakalibona ibhola eliningi edlalwa i-Orlando Pirates. I know Orlando Pirates last season iwine i-treble with i-defense ebikade inayo. Kodwa ke kumele siyicacise indaba and ke kumele siyikhulume. Lapho khona esibona khona kuneyinkinga kumele zi-addresswe because uma ke sesilimala along the way singakhali kakhulu sisho ukuthi ke lento lesiye sayibona vele ekuqaleni kwesizini yabo. So ngizokhuluma nje regarding i-center back pairing. Ngizoqala nje ngwabala ama-defenders esinawo. Sinobani na? SinoThapelo Xoki, sibe nobani na? Sibe noMpho Tshabatsane, sibe nobani na? Sibe noLebone Siyema, kube uNkosinathi Sibisi, kube uSibangani Zulu, mase kuba uDebishaya. Intwana lesi sathanda kuyipromoter from i-DDC yabo. So kulama defenders boyi-6 mabili ama-defenders ama-left footed center backs okuba na uyena uDebishaya usathanda kumpromoter owango-2007 mase kuba na mase kuba uMpho Tshabatsane yabo. The rest of these 4 defenders obani na or right footed center backs yabo, abadlali laba abadlala kwi-position kaSiyema yabo. Umuntu odlala kwi-position yokuba i-left footed center back ubani na uSibisi, who is the current captain of Orlando Pirates. The reason why ngisho ukuthi ke le conversation ngeke izibe mnandi, I'm a big fan of uSibisi yabo. As a big fan of uSibisi kumele siyikhulume leni. If you remember last season, not last season per se yabo, awuthi ngibuyele nje kuleya season la khona sa introduce khona bani na sa introduce khona Umbekezeli Mbokazi. Umbekezeli Mbokazi wa introduce lapho khona Orlando Pirates isemzimeni ngempela idinga i-left center back and futhi ke ilidinga i-defender elizokwazi ke livale isikhala base bampromoter kuMbekezeli Mbokazi because bembonile edlala kahle laphana ku-DDC yabo. Ukufika kwaMbekezeli Mbokazi kwakwazi ke ku provide i-stability kwi-backline Orlando Pirates because mukhumbula kahle sasingeke stability kuma center back pairing esasinawo ngalesa sikhathi. Kwakhona uThapelo Xoki, kube khona bani na, kube khona uSesane, kube khona uSibisi, kuba khona uLisanda yabo. Many of those center backs ayejwayele ukulimala. Yes, uSesane wayeba khona, uSesane ke edlala kahle but ke uSesane wayeba nezinsuku zakhe. uSesane wambona kahle la ezocracka khona. uSesane ke ashama on goal, uSesane ke ashama red card yabo. Lapho nalapho umjida ke wena uthi ke awenza ama mistakes. So sasiyidinga istability lapha. So ukintroduce kwakhe Umbekezeli Mbokazi kwakwathi ke iOrlando Pirates and ke uJose Rivero abe naso istability akwathi ke ayibalansise igame emove. Sasikwathi ke sidlala sibe balanced. Sidlala nge-right center back mase ke sidlala nge-left center back. Sasingabi nazo inkinga because abajida babekwazi ukukhavelana yabo. So the reason why ngiyisha le video le, uSibisi is one of the best defenders as now, but ke there is a moment last game lapho khona umdlali obeyi left center back ebengakwazi ke alicontrole kahle lela bhola mase ke eyaphasa. Lapho khona uSibisi bezama khona uclearish ibhola ngonyawo la ka left, lasha umdlali wani na umdlali weMilford ibhola yabo. Yayisiboza ke iMilford ukube kumdlali lo wangempela ubezolithatha lela bhola alifake nethini yabo. I know kusayigame yokuqala, ngisasho futhi angino kusayigame yokuqala and ke angicriticize. Kumele sikwazi ke si identify inkinga esinazo kusayigame yokuqala yabo. Ucoach amshone technical team bahleli phansi bayabukela. We have ama left center backs okuba na okuDebishaya benoMpho Tshabatsane. Why don't we take 2 of these guys and throw them in the fire? Sibone ukuthi ke mase sidlalise oyedwa wabo between the 2 bangakwazi ukuthi ke bayibambe ziqine with ubani na uSiyema, mhlambe ke bayibambe iqine with uSibisi, mhlambe ke bayibambe iqine with uZulu, mhlambe bayibambe iqine with ubani na uThapelo Xoki yabo. Ubona nje iyona nje mina into engiyishoyo, one of these guys they must get a chance. And again, I've seen this guy, he's very very good. I saw him edlala le we go preseason with the Orlando Pirates. He's a very very good defender. I saw some of his games, even on the last game when we were playing against the Mamelodi Sundowns, we came at TDC. He was very very good. So mina ngokwami I think he's the next TLB. I'm not just trying to glaze, but again, he is the next guy with left center back. So if we try to put the guy into the fire, maybe he can dance on the fire and give us something, because asikwazi ngempela ukuthi ke sikhale ngaleyo ndlela sibe sinabo abadlali yabo, silimale ngempela sibe sinabo abadlali baningi kakhulu ama center back ukuthi ke singangakwazi ukuthi ke sidlale i center back pairing ebalanced. Asikwazi ukuthi ke sidlalise ama center back pairing awo right oma u2 yabo. One of these center backs azoyenza mistakes, azophasela abadlali ama-opponents ethu. Mase ke iphasela ama-opponents ethu yithina futhi sobe sisikhala at the end of the day, yabo. So mina ngokwami, one of these guys mele bathole opportunities. You can tell me in the comments wena ngokwakho, but ke ku-crucial ngempela ukuthi ke i-team ibe nabo all left, yabo. Sina ke we are fortunate ukuthi ke siyakwazi ke sikhiqizele the last left esiba nayo sabobane na sabanombokazi samkhiqiza kuyona eDDC nangu ukuthi beshiya usekhuphukile umjida. He's another left footed center back esinayo, yabo. So yithina we are fortunate for that. So you can tell me in the comments yipi i-defensive pairing yakho wena ke oyibona ukuthi ke engakusebenzela kule season lezoqala. Do you think Orlando Pirates kumele iqalise uSibangani Zulu benawo Debeshaya, noma ke uSibangani Zulu adlale noMphotsha Batsane, noma ke uSiyepa adlale noMphotsha Batsane, noma ke uMphotsha Batsane adlale with uThabelo Xoki noMosibisi? You can tell me in the comments. Feel free ukuthi ke ungixeke ngokwakho lapho nalapho, but ke ungangizeli ukuthi ke isizini isaqala singaxeki. Guys, remember phela last season we started the season with uMbekezeli Mbokazi. Ekuqaleni kwesizini with uMbekezeli Mbokazi, uMbokazi washiya ngoDecember. So that is halfway through the season. So the guys who were there bese benomsebenzi olulu ukuthi ke bagcine Orlando Pirates right, yabo. So isizini iyaqala njengamanje akekho uMbekezeli Mbokazi. So you cannot tell me ukuthi ke last season si winile treble with this defense. No, it is not the same defense. Mbekezeli Mbokazi started with the Orlando Pirates, wawina i-Carling knockout, wawina i-MTA need. Ingabe sizokwazi ukuthi siyiwine lezo indebe engekho uMbekezeli Mbokazi? That is the only thing that I'm trying to make it clear, yabo. Uma ukuthi ke uzozama ukuthi ke ufike nalowo maphuzu kuma comments usho ukuthi ke we won i treble last season with this defense. Mbekezeli Mbokazi was there, guys. Remember, we have to think about that. I'm not criticizing, I'm just trying to find out ukuthi ke wena ngokwakho or mhlambe ngicabanga kakhulu. But mina, based on izinto esengiyibonile, based on ama games esesiwadlalile, pre-season games, and the first game that we played, there are some tiny things, yabo, that we need to twitch for the machine to work perfectly. Yabo, ngisazi wena sesiswini ukhona lapho nalapho eshoda khona, yabo, because it seems like the players are not playing their roles, yabo. Seems like Abdeslam Wadu is that kind of coach who doesn't like to play players on their exact roles. You can look at Abo De Jong last season. He was not playing as a 10. Look at Talent Mbata. They are trying to force him as a number 6. There are many players who are being played out of position, you see. So those are the things that we must try and fix beyond the season, because we might lose all the trophies ABC now is Zamugwa defend. But again, I trust my boys, I trust the technical team. I like the fact that they do listen to the opinions of the fans and try to fix lezo zinto lezo. So you can tell me in the comments.